We have a visitor. Who is it? Looks like me. Ooh, go away. We don't want none of you. Hit him with the Heim. Checking out this HeimVision doorbell. Check it out. Ooh. Ooh. You're getting all kinds of messages or something here. This thing learns up to 4 phones. This thing's dinging. This thing's going insane. There's a picture of me at the door, even though I'm in the kitchen. You can communicate verbally, or you could do some video dealy over there. Now I'm gonna install this outside with this angled plate right here, chime, that you can put in your house someplace. Doesn't matter where it goes, you can put it wherever you want. Doesn't have to be by the factory one. And when I say the factory one, I mean, where's my finger? There it is. You don't have to mount it where that thing is. This thing is pretty simple, man. It comes with the doorbell, it comes with the 2 mounts, the phone is the app, of course. This little deal right here, which is powered by 3 AA batteries, which you can mount wherever you want. Of course, the doorbell with the camera, the button, which lights up at nighttime, which I like. It blinks red, which is pretty cool. I like that. Some tools will install it, and the rest is pretty simple. I'll show you how it works with the app in a minute. So here's my before doorbell, which the light died like they always do. And I'm just gonna simply replace that with this. And it's gonna look nice with the flush mount, with the tilt. It's gonna be like ding. Oh yeah. After you unscrew your 2 screws and pull them away, you'll see that there's 2 wires. Typically these are the standard colors. They are non-polarized, so you can't connect these backwards, by the way. There's my wall anchors installed, so now I can just take the plate and affix it to the house. So there's the first angle plate. Now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to take this and mount that onto here with the provided screws, and then I can click on the final piece with the camera doorbell. When I first read the book on this camera, I says this is a pretty flawed design. Why would they put the reset button here? Because it's inaccessible, but you only need that to pair the unit. So after that, I guess it's not really that important. But what even is more important than that is the micro SD card. So if you have the card and this thing just clicks into place, who's stopping a thief from just ripping it off the house and just taking the card with them and leaving? Well, turns out that when you mount this thing up in here and in the bottom, there's a little screw right there, which mates up into the bottom of the unit, so that way it keeps that from occurring. Just so you know, so when you mount it, make sure you have the top on the top and the bottom like that on the bottom. So now you can see I got my wiring all meant. See there, I got my wiring completed. I just have to heat shrink these on there. I can reassemble it. I can see I'm getting alert messages from motion already. Now let's give this motion sensor a test. Use this other phone that's paired to it. Come out to the house. And there you go. We got a message. We have a visitor. Who is it? Looks like me. Ooh, go away. We don't want none of you. Pretty cool. So you can just ignore it, pick it up, say, yeah, what do you want? Hello, what do you want? Mute it. Listen, mute, end the call, or communicate. Hello. 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 Hello.